Hello and welcome to Rannkly. Today, we're going to show you how to import customers effortlessly into your Rannkly account. So, whether you're new to Rannkly or just looking to streamline your customer management, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Click here to start. First, log into your Rannkly account. Once you're in, here's what you need to do. Click on Campaign in the top menu. Then select Customer Contacts. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. See that shiny Add Customer Contacts button? Click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Here's where you can select the location of your business for which you want to import customers. Now, let's download the sample CSV file provided by Rannkly. This file will serve as a template for your customer data. Once your CSV file is all set, it's time to import it into Rannkly. Click on Import from CSV. Want to organize your customers better? No problem. You can add labels to your data. Just make sure to label your entries as needed. Select the CSV file you just filled out with your customer data. This is the file you want to import. And there you have it. Your customer data is now seamlessly imported into Rannkly. Congratulations! You're all set to get the most out of our platform. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful Rannkly tutorials.